Welcome to Dead Metal, where forgotten machines are given a second life.
Years of neglect have taken their toll. But fiberglass is resilient.
Let's see what's waiting inside.
Years of abandonment. Every surface tells a story of neglect. Water damage, the enemy of every boat.
Gel coat damage. Years of UV exposure without protection.
Time to bring her back to life.
12 hours of clearing.
Time to get her home.
New home, new beginning. 30 years of grime, gone in seconds. Chemical cleaning for the stubborn spots.
Everything must go. We're starting from scratch.
Deep cleaning, every surface, every corner. Clean. But this is just the beginning.
Assessment complete. Time to address every flaw.
"15 hours of sanding, the foundation for a perfect finish." Filling every imperfection. Glass smooth is the goal.
Feel test. No edges, no bumps. Perfect.
Masking is 90% of a good paint job.
primer, the foundation of everything. One small spot. Fix it now, not later.
Original colors, matching what she was meant to be.
Smooth, even, perfect coverage.
The signature stripe, the detail that makes her complete.
Hull complete. She's starting to look like a yacht again.
Non-skid deck paint. Safety and appearance together. Deck done. Interior next.
New cushions, comfort restored.
New helm station, ready to command. Every piece of hardware, polished or replaced. Part of the vessel, restored and ready.
Time to see if she floats.
First splash in 30 years.
She lives.
From the forest floor to the open water, restoration complete.
Same yacht. New life. Abandoned. Forgotten. Restored. If you enjoyed this restoration,
Every yacht has a
subscribe to the
story.
channel.
This
More
one
forgotten
got a second
metal
chapter.
is waiting.